In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel request access in GoDaddy. If you've sent a request to access someone else's GoDaddy account, maybe to help manage their domains or products, and you no longer need that access, you can withdraw the request in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through the process clearly and share a few tips along the way. Start by opening your browser and going to Google, then type GoDaddy. In the results, choose the official GoDaddy website. This keeps things simple and ensures you're using the correct sign-in page. Once you're on the site, log into your account with your usual credentials. If GoDaddy prompts you for any security verification, go ahead and complete it to continue. After you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the page and click on your username or profile icon. That opens the main menu you'll need. From that menu, select Account Settings. This area holds all the key controls for your profile and permissions. On the Account Settings page, find and click on Delegate Access. Delegate Access is where you manage permissions you've given to others to work in your account, and also any access you've requested to someone else's account. You'll see sections that typically separate people who can access your account from accounts you can access. Look for the pending request you want to cancel in the area that lists accounts you can access or any outstanding requests you've sent. When you locate the specific request, click Cancel next to it. This action withdraws your pending request immediately, meaning the other person will no longer be able to approve it, and it will be removed from your list. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you intend to proceed. Click Yes, cancel it. That confirms the change and finalizes the cancellation. You should see the request disappear from the list, indicating it's no longer active. In some cases, you might also receive an email confirming the update to your delegate access status. If you have multiple pending requests, simply repeat the same process for each one you want to remove. And if you don't see the request you're expecting, double-check that you're in the Delegate Access section under your own account and that you're viewing the correct area for outgoing requests. That's all there is to it. You've successfully canceled a request for access in GoDaddy, keeping your permissions tidy and up to date. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you manage your GoDaddy access with confidence.